What's good, everybody? I'm Pat and I'm a guest here on Sinn Kids. You probably don't know who I am, but if you want to check out my channel, it's Pat's World. So today I'm not really sure what I'm doing. I was considering just illegally driving to McDonald's because I was supposed to get my license 2 years ago and I just never did. So regardless of what I'm doing, I think I'm just gonna start by plucking my eyebrows. Obviously, I'm missing the tail. I did it because sometimes you just have to go Captain Spock on them. Anyway, so I'm really craving a McChicken. I don't know why, because the bun is gross. The chicken itself usually has some sort of cartilage in it. The lettuce is stale, and the mayo is unevenly spread. But they're just so good. Oh my god, I have my shuffle on right now, and Summertime Sadness by Lana Del Rey just came on. And every time I hear it, I can only think of that chicken vine. I'll put it here or something. It's so important.
Red dress on tonight, dancing in the dark in the pale.
I don't think I'm going to do much with my skin because, again, I'm not going anywhere if not McDonald's. So I'm just going to pin my hair down and look even more stupid. So I've really been wanting to dye my hair black. Part of me doesn't want to just because my hair is so light and it would be really difficult to lift black out if I want to go with different colors again. But part of me is just like, fuck it, I want to do black. So I'm really conflicted right now. But either way, I need to touch up my hair, so we'll see what I end up doing. Maybe Brad Mondo will trash me again. Now I'm just gonna set my face with powder so it doesn't melt off since it's so hot where I live. Also, if you guys have any good anime recommendations, definitely drop those in the comments. I've been watching Shippuden recently. I'm on the part like right after the 4th Great Ninja War where the stage of 6 Paths like just dipped and now Naruto and Sasuke like have beef again. I don't know. But aside from that, I feel like I could knock the rest of that out in like 2 days if I did a big binge. So once I finish that, I don't know if I'm gonna watch Boruto. So I need something to like fill that void, you know? I've heard some good things about One Piece, but I've also heard some bad things. And it's like 800 episodes, so I don't think I'm gonna get invested in that. Because the last time I got invested in an anime, like really invested, it was Hunter x Hunter, and that manga isn't even close to being finished. So basically I'm screwed until the writer comes out with something new or dies. I really need like a solid finished anime because it's kind of like with Attack on Titan. Like I love Attack on Titan, but I haven't watched the new season because I watched the previous one so long ago that I don't even like remember what's going on. Also, I don't know if you've heard, I think it was, here, let me double check this because I don't know for sure. So I just looked it up, and it's true that Netflix is removing The Office from its selection, which that's all that Netflix is good for, to be honest. I never got into Friends, but they're taking that off too, and people are not happy about it. I don't know, like Netflix is just a mess right now, and they're raising their prices too. So I don't have my own Netflix, I feed off of one of my friends. But God, like, really? Really? At this point, I'm really only using Hulu. I'm going in with my Kat Von D Super Brow, and I'm gonna attempt to make my eyebrows even. Even when I did have like full eyebrows, they were never even. So like, just praying that this works out okay. Okay, I like that, but the real challenge is getting this one to look even a little bit like this one. I'm just gonna try my best and see what happens. Usually nothing good, but there's a first time for everything. I honestly thought I was gonna do something new here, but I'm just realizing this is basically the makeup I do for work every day. Like the only difference is I only do one slit when I'm at work, because you gotta keep it professional, you know. I don't really feel like doing anything to my eyes because that's a lot of work, so I might just go in with some black lipstick. Now I'm just taking my hair down and trying to make it look decent. That was a mistake. Okay, you guys, I just got home and we did that. I may not have my license. I may not really know how to operate a vehicle, but that's not going to stop me from feeding my McChicken addiction. Alright, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you want, you can subscribe to my channel, and I'll also leave my Instagram handle over here and down below.